You're not disposable. I am Harmonica. You're just joining me, I know, but I've been working. It's 4:50 in the morning. I'm gonna make a video on how I only sleep 5 hours a night. That's right, 5 hours. That's another video. This is where it came from, the voice memos that you endlessly record, just a thought stream pouring into your phone. And do you ever actually do anything with these? Do you? It was November 9th, 2018. And it seems that I was having thoughts about self-worth and human dignity.
Whatever happens, something, I'll stay hopeful. One day you'll realize you're not disposable. I'll stay hopeful. And one day you'll realize you're not disposable.
Okay. Pitch and melody aside, the thought and the heart was there. I was going through my voice memos this morning, and I think that one grabbed me because I needed to hear that. I needed to hear, hey, Harmonica, you're not disposable. Like, the thing that you do, it's special. Don't throw that away. And I was like, oh yeah, duh. And I felt a little better. Now, let's get into what I did with it. This is the exciting stuff. As previously noted, I am no master of pitch or melody, so this took a little bit of time to sort things out in my mind and in my ears and then into the computer. But once it got here, things started to warm up. That needed some effects, like raw. So I added some overdrive. Nice, crunchy EQ to thin it out. Some wow and flutter to make it sound a little detuned, and then some coloring and compression with this tape plugin. Basically, I just turned it into a crunchy, nasty, ugly, grungy piano. But it still maintains that character, that timbre, that pleasing glass-like resonance of a nice, grand piano. And then came vocals via the tin can microphone. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I built this. It's actually really easy, but it has a great lo-fi, old-timey sound. I doubled up the vocals by going up an octave, and then what else did I do to it? I added this plugin called La Petite Excite. It's basically a saturator, so it gives either the high or low frequencies some you can't really hear. It sounds like that wonky, old school phonograph record player. Added to the other vocal, it gives it life and width, which that really lo-fi sound needed.
One day you will realize that you are not disposable.
Obviously, none of this song is done. That could use some reverb, a touch of something spicy. Next sound. Drums? Yes, I forgot about those. And that just gave me a tempo, a feel, a groove. That sometimes you feel like you're not inspired, but if you just have a groove going, like seriously, that's not even a groove, just a you'll be like, oh, I think I hear something. I think the musical voices are beginning to speak to me. I digress. Speaking of sounds. Right there. Yeah, that feels good. I moved the kicks and snares around to vibe a little bit with the melody. double to give it some boost, but I tried to keep it as empty as possible. Sparse, simple. Good God, right. Move the camera, move the hat. I get it. The next thing that was added was a strummed guitar, a MIDI guitar. It doesn't sound too realistic. I just honestly did not want to try and figure out how to play certain chords. I just needed it. I needed this to be ready, and I wanted the sauce. I like to bounce my MIDI down to audio. That's kind of when I started freaking out, and I thought to myself, I should film this. So we're almost caught up to speed. There's two crucial elements missing. That is a harmonica that I added. I honestly don't remember what I did. This is just to make my content quality. Quality content. The mic's not even on. Once the harmonica was captured into the computer, I messed around with some of the pitch values. One of my favorite things to do with audio. It's my style. It's my style. But check it out. Pitched it up an octave. Once again. When I bounced the guitar MIDI down to audio, there was one little slice of MIDI left, and it turned into this. You can tell it's the attack, the string attack of this MIDI guitar instrument. It was interesting to me. I pitched it up an octave, added an EQ to it to thin it out and kind of tone it the way that I wanted to. Then it became a perk. A perk. It's quite perkalicious. Anyway, we put it all together with the harmonica. We are back to the present moment. I think we need to add some bass. Oh, right. Yep, here we go. My MIDI controller. Dude, it's not working. It's driving me crazy. It's not even fair. But this bass sound is sweet. It's kind of synthy, but it's wide, and then it has that kind of plucky electric sound to it as well. So in true producer fashion, I'm going to click in these notes. It kind of bugs me. When I want to play something out, dude, that is so much better than clicking, in my opinion. Sometimes you got to click, and sometimes it's easier too because you can step through it. So it's basically just going from F, G, A sharp, A. F, G, A sharp. That's where the A sharp's gotta live right there. And then just pump it. Bam, 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 bam. Duplicate, 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 duplicate. Ooh, and that goes down to A right there. That's great bass line for the verse. We'll definitely work with it. Maybe add some 808s when the time comes. Chorus. That's gonna need some trappy traps. You know it. You know it. Hit that like button if you want to see merch that says Trappy Traps. I have some ideas. I don't care how many subscribers I have. I need to wear a shirt that says Trappy Traps on it. C, C, G, A sharp, G. That bass is just way too clean. It needs distortion. And then we need to calm it down. You have to get it angry, then you have to calm it down. Such is life. It just throws something at you, and then it's like, take it easy there. It's strangely ironic. I got the problem.